Setting up Norton Family on your child's iOS device is a simple process, but after testing it, I realized it doesn't offer the level of monitoring that I truly need. While Norton Family does allow basic tracking, I quickly found that Amobix was the superior choice for more comprehensive and real-time monitoring. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. Setting up Norton Family involves downloading the app from the App Store, creating an account, and linking your child's device. Once set up, you can monitor their activity on the device, such as web filtering, screen time, and location tracking. However, Norton Family won't let you track messages, calls, or social media activity, which left me feeling limited. That's where Amobix stands out. Here's why Amobix is the better option. Full message and call tracking. With Amobix, you can monitor WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, and other social media platforms, including deleted messages and calls. Norton Family doesn't provide this level of detailed tracking. Real-time notifications. You'll get instant updates about any concerning activity, ensuring you never miss an important event. Norton Family lacks real-time monitoring for messages or calls. Advanced features. Amobix gives you access to a broader range of activities, such as browsing history, app usage, and even location tracking. Norton Family only scratches the surface compared to Amobix's capabilities. Discreet and seamless. Amobix runs discreetly in the background, so your child won't know it's being monitored. It ensures peace of mind without interfering with their daily usage. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more valuable tips and guides. After testing both, it became clear that Amobix is the better option for comprehensive iOS monitoring. It offers far more detailed and real-time monitoring compared to Norton Family, making it the top choice for ensuring your child's online safety. Amobix is available with flexible pricing plans, and by using the link in the description, you can unlock exclusive discounts and bonuses. For full peace of mind and effective monitoring, Amobix is the superior option for iOS.